This morning, loading up on a stock pre-market as it pulls back to the VWAP, looking for a squeeze at open, and guess what? Guess what, my friends? We got the squeeze that we are looking for. Showing you guys how I made over $500 this morning, only trading with 450 shares of this stock, MXC. It was on top of the gapper list. Gonna break it down, show you guys the entire trade, the halt. We had a 10-minute halt. 10 minutes. 10 minutes right when the market opens of me sitting there thinking like, come on, baby, squeeze, 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 squeeze for 10 minutes. Can you imagine being in a trade for 10 minutes, not knowing exactly what's going to happen after that halt is done, if it's going to open higher, it's going to open lower, what's really going on? So we had 10 minutes of literally just sitting there, and I don't want to say hoping and praying, but there's definitely a lot of praying and some serious hoping that this thing would squeeze higher. So I'm going to show you guys the trade that we made and how it all went down right here in this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, it's currently Wednesday morning, and we've got this trade going here on MXC. Looking for a big squeezer out of this one today. Small flow. It's on top of the gapper list this morning. Looking for a break over this $12.99 high. Push up there to the $15 area today here on MXC. This is a energy company. Some overall sector plays popping off today, and looking to see if we can't get a breakout here. We got about 20 seconds here till the market opens. So looking for a squeeze above this $12 area at open as this thing starts to move here. Let's see if we can get a push right now. Going into open, about 1 second left here. Let's see what happens at open. Market is now officially open. Looking for a push above $10. Up there to 10 a couple times, touching on that 10 area. Let's see. Come on, squeeze through there. There we go. Up there at 1040 now. Looking for more, obviously. My entry's at the 1040 area. So let's keep pushing. Minimum, I'm looking for over this area here at 11. We need to get up to the $12 area here on this play. Let's see if we can get the push. Just need a little squeeze. Need the shorts to get stubborn here. Get back above the VWAP there. Reclaim the VWAP and squeeze up here. Getting denied there at the VWAP right now. Ooh, come on, baby. Buyer stepping in there, squeezing. Come on. You're going to have some shorts that are getting covered as well that shorted here at the 11s. So looking for that action here. Up there to the 1070s now. Looking for the 11 break here. I'm going to sell a little bit on the push up here, 25 at a time. Just putting some orders out there. See if we get filled. Still got 350 shares above 11 now. I'm just kind of putting out like stop orders here, really. Look at that big seller. It's about to get halted there at the 1126. So going to lock in a little bit of profit here as this pushes up there, 1126 now. I think it's going to get halted here. So we're halted now on MXC there at the 1120. There's that push we are looking for, that $11 push now. So we'll give it a little bit of time. See if this can't squeeze. Get a supernova squeeze going today, boys. Let's go. Let's go here. All right, so while this is halted, you can see the scanner here. This is the trade idea scanner, MXC on the top of the list there, showing right now that there's 982,000 shares, and it's up 166%. We've got 4.6 million shares traded so far today. This thing is looking like she's prime and ready. Looks like we might open above $12 here. So you can see right here on the scanner as well, MXC halted because of volatility there at 932. So if you didn't have the scanner, you didn't know that MXC was popping off, you didn't know that it was halted, well, you just missed out on this insane move so far. So looking for this to continue higher here once this reopens. Minute here be the 37 since it's got halted at 32 basically. Yeah, so pretty soon should be reopen here. I thought the rule for halting stocks, that stocks couldn't get halted within the first 15 minutes. I thought there was like a volatility halt in the first 15 minutes or the first 5-10 minutes or something like that. But I guess not. I don't know. Is that changed now? I could have sworn that back when I used to trade small caps all the time that there was like a grace period for like the first 10 minutes or first 15 minutes where stocks weren't able to get halted, but I might be wrong about that. I guess maybe if they make a certain move, or I don't know. We'll see what happens here once this reopens. You got about 2 minutes still waiting out. The anticipation, right now is killing me. Just killing me, the anticipation here. Come on, let's go. Let's get this party going. All right, so getting ready here. Market is about to reopen now. So just kind of looking for this push up to the $12 area. 10-minute halt to start the day. Talk about a anticlimactic video here, huh? Talk about anticlimactic. Getting filled there at the 12s. Looking for a little more here above $12. Getting some filled up there. Getting some filled at 13. Getting some filled there again. At 12, getting filled here. Putting an order out there at 12.48. This thing's looking like it might want to start selling a little bit here. So I'm putting some stop orders here. If we get stopped out, sell the rest of these. So we're all out there. Okay. Locking down $500. It pushed up there to 13 and then just kind of sold off after that. You can see this is a 1 minute candle. So Thinkorswim's not the best for this type of trading anyway. You can see all these sellers coming in there at the 11 now. So we got out at a good time, just kind of selling into that pop up there to the $13 area. Was hoping for a lot bigger move here on this. Now you can see the selling pressure coming in there and dumping it back down. So we got some fills up at the $13 area. I think some of our highest fills here, really not as high as I was hoping for actually. Look at this. Yeah, some of our highest fills was 1267, 1266, 1235, 1192, 1158. Yeah, so pretty much 1199 got filled, 1199 got filled there. So we ended up basically getting 1266 as our high there. So not just like not a ton of action pushing up there to that $13 area. And once I saw that, it just got stuck there at 13, just started dumping and getting out there. So not the best move here, but that's what we were looking for. We're looking for that squeeze like that at open, and you can see kind of just loading up here and selling into that push right there. So these halts are just gonna kill the action, because the thing is, if this thing wouldn't have got halted, like if it wouldn't have got halted right there, we would have just kept squeezing and squeezing and squeezing, and this thing would have just like went right to the moon. So there would have been a lot more opportunity for me to get out there for a much better average, up here in the 13s, 14, $15 area. So the halt basically killed the momentum, especially a 10-minute halt. So this thing gets halted on that 10-minute pop up, and then everybody just kind of is like, well, I don't know what to do now, I don't know what to do. And you can see how that indecision came in there, because you just got a lot of selling pressure coming in there at the 13s. Obviously the shorts are going to really work hard to push this back down. But if we wouldn't have got that halt, if that halt wouldn't have came in there at 11.25, I think this thing really would have squeezed up there a lot stronger. But that halt just kind of screwed us there. So it is what it is. We still locked down $500 in profit. I know everyone's like, well, use paper trading. If you look up here, real-time data, this is a real-time, this is a real platform. This is not paper trading. So you can see my account, the end of my account there. You can see stock buying power there, $284. So this is a real account. Just want everyone to obviously see that. I'm trying to see if I get you can see these are all the orders going through there. So it is what it is. It is what it is, my friends. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be done for the day. $500 before 9:45, basically. Like I said, I was looking for more. There, but just didn't get that continuation. Just didn't want to squeeze here. I don't really even know. I would love to see the tape and see how many orders actually got filled up there near $13. I can't imagine that much. It does have a million shares traded there on that 1 minute candle, so there was obviously a lot of action inside of there. But basically, we're loading up down here. Not gonna chase this thing. We're gonna load up before the move, expecting that big breakout with that small float. Seeing it on the scanner, seeing that it was the number one Seeing that it's a #1 gapper stock on the scanner there, that's the key here. Knowing that everyone's going to be looking at it, everyone's going to be watching it. It's the #1. It's got a low float. It's up big. It's got news behind it. There's stuff going on with the stock, blah, blah, blah. And that's exactly what we got today here on MXC. So breaking it down for you guys, showing you guys the action right here on the #1 day trade channel. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.